Mike, heads up.
Scared me too.
I'm a chicken nanny.
Alright, fuck Charlie.
That was supposed to happen. Charlie! Did that scare you, buddy?
That scared me.
Daddy.